Hey, what's up, team? Welcome to your 20-minute core workout. We're not going to use any equipment for this particular workout, but you can go ahead and grab a mat or a towel because we will be doing exercises on the floor. We're going to do 2 rounds, and in each round, we've got 4 exercises. Each exercise we're going to do for 30 seconds with a 15-second recovery in between. We'll repeat all 4 exercises twice before we move on to the next round. As always, I'm going to show you different options so that you feel successful no matter what level you're at right now. So let's get started with the warm-up. We'll do it standing up. I want you to get your feet a little wider than your hips, stand up tall, and just give me some shoulder rolls back. We're going at our own pace in this workout, so feel free to slow down your movement, or in some of those exercises, increase and speed up your tempo. 3, 2, 1. Now let's take those shoulders forward, right towards me. Lubricating our shoulder joints right here. Some exercises we're going to be in a plank position, so we want to get our shoulders and back ready for that. Now I want you to open up and squeeze your shoulder blades together, driving your elbows back. Release, arms come out to the side. Do that again. And just take a grapefruit right there between your shoulder blades. As you bring your elbows back, squeeze the grapefruit. Nice. Do that again. One more time. Now I want you to reach up, and as you're bending your elbows, think of your shoulders and back scraping the wall behind you. Better yet, imagine you're standing in between 2 window pane glasses. Nice. Reach all the way up and squeeze and pull down. Up. Making sure to breathe. One more, please. Very nice. We're going to come into a torso rotation here, so I want you to pivot and rotate your hips, releasing your heel off the floor. Core is engaged, so I want you to feel your core right now as you're rotating, as if you're wringing out a towel or a wet shirt. Good. Nice and controlled here. No need to race. 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Let's get our arms like a genie here. Hands over elbows, hands under elbow, and lift your knee up towards your hands. Knees come up center. We're not lowering the elbows, but rather making our knees work to come up, activating our lower abs here. Again, slow and controlled. You lift as high as you can go. And over time, and with consistency, you'll realize that knee's getting higher and higher. Nice job. 3, 2, 1. We're going to reach and pull. Let's just start with the left side. Reach up and connect elbow to knee, or get the elbow as closest to the knee as possible. Don't forget to breathe here. This is not the workout. Let's switch to the other side, please. Two more. All right, shake that off. Let's get ready to work. So go ahead and put your mat on the floor or your towel, and let's get ready. This is round 1, 4 moves. Our first exercise, we're going to sit on our booty right here. Option, you're going to drop into your forearms. We're going to bring our legs together. Knees come in towards our chest, out, and then you bring one leg up and you'll alternate that leg lift. Another option, bring your hands behind your hips, sit up. Bring the knees in, out, legs come up. The heels can touch the floor at any time, and instead of 2 legs, you can do 1 leg at a time. All right, that's your first move out of 4. Let's get ready to hit the deck. You ready for this? All right, prepare. Set it up. We move in 3, 2, 1, begin. 30 seconds. In, out, up, down. Engage your core here. Don't worry about how straight the legs are. You can keep them bent. What you're doing here is you're making sure to use your core to elevate the legs. I know your hip flexors are burning. You can always jump on your forearms. Time. Nice job. All right, next exercise. We're going to get into a plank position here. And we're going to do plank knees. So, knee drop. Come into a plank position. Shoulders stacked over wrist. Drop one knee down at a time. Options. Start with your knees bent and on the floor. Let's go. With one knee up at a time. We're already going. Back is flat. Look about 2 to 3 inches in front of you. Keep your booty down. Pull that belly button in, please. Time. Nice job. 2 more moves, and then we're going all over from the top. So here, we're going to go into a side plank. Come onto your right side. Shoulders stacked over your elbow. Hips facing knee. Bend your base leg. We're going to reach and crunch. Just like we did in the warm-up. Let's go. Now, advanced option. I want to elevate the hip up off the floor to engage my core a little more. Hey, that rhymed. Can you tell I have kids? Way too many rhyming books here. So you're either elevating your hip off the floor or you can keep it down. The choice is yours. Time. Great job. All right, my friends, one more move. We're going back as we started, but this time we're going to go into a scissor. So either starting with your forearms on the floor or sitting up, hands behind hips. We're going to open and close. Let's go. Try to relax the shoulders. Don't let them crouch up by your ears. I want to hear you breathe. Anytime you need a moment, lean forward and take that pressure off your lower back. Legs are hovering 4 to 6 inches off the ground. Don't worry about how straight your legs are. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Lean forward. That was your 4 exercises. We're doing this all over again. We're going to start this in and out and up. Lean forward. That feels good. Prepare. Set it up. Knees to knees, chest first. Begin. In, out, up, down. Second time around, can you bring your knees in closer to your chest? Or maybe lift your legs up half an inch higher? Say yes. Option, one leg at a time. Three seconds. Time. Nice work. All right, we're going into that plank deep drop. So coming back into that plank, remember you can start with your knees on the mat and then you lift one knee up at a time. Prepare. Begin. Plank knee drop or knee up, your call. Slow and controlled. Nice. Hips rear to the floor. Spread open your fingers here to push through the floor a little more. You got it, come on. This is where you dig a little deeper. Couple more. Time. Nice work. Come into that side plank on the left side, please. Set yourself up. Shoulder over elbow. Check. Hips facing me. Check. Core braced. Reach and pull, please. So here's one of those options, yes, where my hip is on my mat. I'm connecting knee to elbow. Nice oblique crunch. Otherwise, you're gonna elevate your hip off the floor. Reach. Nice. Strong, full range of motion here. Connect every time. Try. Don't tell me you can't. You can. Time. All right, last move, we're going into scissors. All you're going to do is reset just like we did our first exercise again. hand placement, you choose. Set it up. Abdominals brace. Ready? Go. I know the inner thighs and hip flexors are burning. Your abs feel like a mat has been lit to them. You got it. You got 10 seconds, my friend. Can you hold on for 10 seconds? Say yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Round 1 done. Go ahead and lean forward. Hopefully you've got your water bottle next to you. Now go ahead and get up. Let's all get up, matter of fact. I'm just gonna shake that off a little bit. Movement is life, so we always want to be moving. Go ahead and grab your water, tap it off. We've got one more round, so I'm gonna reset my clock here, and we're gonna get ready. Hitting the deck for our final round. Okay, same formula, just 4 new exercises. We're gonna start back in that plank position. Let me just show you the first move. Setting yourself up in a plank, and we're going to go into slow mountain climbers. Now, see where your hands will be placed on the floor? They'll look like this. Whether you're on your knees doing this or on your toes, the goal is to get your knees to drive as close as they can in between your hands without lifting your knee up. Okay? The closer you can get your knees in between your hands, the more you're going to engage your lower abs. So let's get ready, my friends. Set it up. Prepare, please. We move in 3, 2, 1, begin. Slow mountain climbers. Butt is down. Spread open your fingers, pushing through the floor to activate your shoulders and back. Relax your neck and head here, looking 3 inches in front. 10 seconds. Slow down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice job. Staying down on the floor. We are going into single leg tap. So, sitting on our glutes. Hands behind our hips, or resting on our forearms. You know that drill, yes? This time we're going to start with the legs up. Let's go. Tap. Slow. Option jump on your forearms. Only the heel taps the floor and then comes back up. Again, not a race. Slow and control. Core engaged and on fire. You got it. 3 seconds. Come on. 2, 1. Woo! 2 more moves. All right, we're going into a flat under for this third exercise here. So back in the same position, and this time we're going to clap under. Want to hear those claps? Ready? Begin. Lift your leg. Bring your knee in towards your body. Knee to chest. Oh my goodness! 10 seconds. Come on. Hup. I want to hear that clap. Clap, 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 clap. Last one. Time. Oh my word. All right. Last move. We're going into it. I gotta lift here. Plank hold. Plank hold. Oh God. Get to a plank position, my friends. So either on your knees or on your toes. Set it up and hold. Engage the core. I need you squeezing. Okay? Squeezing your abdominals, squeezing your glutes. Now, where your heels are, I want you to just slowly push your heels back to combination. Oh yeah. That's shifting the weight off of your shoulders and wrists. 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Child's pose. Guess what, my friend? One more time through, and we're done. Back on our glutes. We're going into, no, not on our glutes. Back in a plank. Slow mountain climber here. Ready? Begin. Hey, Listen, I'm human, right? I'm doing this with you. Slow down, clients, come on. Option on your knees. Remember what your target is. Right in between your hands. 10 seconds, my friend. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, geez, come on. All right, now we're back on our toes. We're going into that single leg tap. On your forearms and hands behind hips. Prepare, please. Set it up. Go. Now listen, your body's feeling fatigue. 20 minutes of core is no good. Anytime you need a moment, lean forward. Then, 2 minutes again. We're going to have good things and bad days for our workouts. The key is to never give up. We never go in the towel. Only using it to wipe off our sweat. We're sweating right now. 3, 2, 1. Lean forward. 2 more smooth. We're going into that flat under. Okay, the same exactly as we are, clapping under our legs. Prepare. Set it up. 3, 2, 1. Find something to focus on in front of you. Don't forget to clap. Don't give me those air claps. I want to hear it. Come on. Clap, 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 clap. Feel it, feel it. Come on, bring the knees into the chest. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Final evolution, and then you're done. We're going into that beautiful plank hold. Get in position, please. Set it up. And let's get ready to light it up one more time. Ready? Go. If you'd like to take your feet out a little wider, you can. Remember to spread open the fingers. Check. 3 inches in front. Check. Driving the heels back. Check. Everything nice and tight. Check, check, check. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Awesome job. Let's push that back into child's pose here. Enjoy this moment. You did it. Outstanding job. Carefully stand on up. Big inhale up. Exhale out. Do that one more time. Great job, my friends. Continue to do this workout. Incorporate it into your workout routines weekly, and you will continue to strengthen your core. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to work out with you again.